The tech industry is witnessing a bloodbath, and artificial intelligence is at the heart of it. In 2026, layoffs are no longer just about cutting costs. They are about fundamentally rewriting how work gets done. In the first quarter alone, 95 companies wiped out over 73,000 jobs. The focus has shifted from hiring more people to building leaner, AI-driven teams where software does more with fewer humans. The biggest blow is coming from Meta. The company is preparing to cut 10% of its workforce, roughly 8,000 employees. Mark Zuckerberg is calling this the evolution of his year of efficiency, investing heavily in systems that can write code and execute complex tasks autonomously. Meta isn't alone. Amazon has trimmed 30,000 corporate roles to double down on AI, while Oracle has cut nearly 30,000 jobs to pivot its investment toward AI infrastructure. Snap Inc. eliminated 1,000 positions to automate repetitive tasks, and companies like Atlassian and Block have slashed 10% of their staff to redirect capital into AI-driven roles. As the CEO of Crypto.com put it, these were roles that simply did not adapt to this new world. But this isn't just about corporate balance sheets. These are real people with mortgages, student loans, and families. Even those who keep their jobs are suffering from survivor's guilt, the constant crushing fear that they might be next. Mental health consultations have spiked fourfold, with 80% of IT professionals reporting extreme stress and 70% struggling with insomnia and anxiety. Young professionals are the most vulnerable. A 2026 study found that 44% of Gen Z employees admit to actively sabotaging AI initiatives out of fear for their job security. The future of work won't just be defined by what AI can do. It will be defined by what happens to the people it replaces. The view from the front lines is sobering. The real question remains, can we get the human part right?